Welcome, here I've got WIKO View 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap to this button we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to remember to stay on the settings from the right, not in modes from the left. So here, and in these buttons we can see the watermark option, so by just one tap we can turn it on, another tap to turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see this watermark at the real one. So now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo with watermark in the right corner at the bottom, WIKO, so the device one. And of course when we don't need it, we have to go back to the camera, tap to the right corner, stay on settings and tap to this button with watermark. So now when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.